Now, Principal Magistrate Monica Kivuti is nursing severe bullet wounds after she was shot by a police officer who is an OCS from Londiani in Kericho County. The police officer Samson Kipchirchir Kipruto was immediately neutralized by security officers inside Makadara Law Courts. The cause of the shooting is unknown but is believed to be linked to a case involving the officer's wife, Jennifer Wairimu Kabiru, who was facing charges of 2.9 million shillings fraud. The body of the deceased has been taken to the city mortuary while the judge is undergoing treatment at the Metropolitan Hospital in Nairobi. Our very own Ode Francis was at the scene and now reports.
The Makadara Law Court turned into a crime scene Thursday morning after Magistrate Monica Kivuti was shot by Londiani OCS Samson Kipchirchir Kipruto.
Somehow, one of our magistrates was injured, and a few of our officers were the orderlies of the same courts. There had been a case which is ongoing, and the ruling was determined today. And during the time of that ruling or judgment given, a situation erupted up in court number 9, whereby one suspect entered to the courts and injured the magistrate in that particular court and the orderlies.
Immaculate Ochola, an advocate of the High Court, was at the scene during the deadly gun attack.
It happened really fast. Within a span of a moment, it happened. And everyone was up and running, and the prison wardens were also shooting, so we were told to lie down. What happened, what most people were thinking, maybe there are prisoners who were escaping, who had escaped.
The police officer identified as Chief Inspector Samson Kipchirchir Kipruto, OCS Londiani, is aged 55 years and was attending a case involving his wife, Jennifer Wairimu, who is an accused person in the case of obtaining money by false pretense amounting to 2.9 million shillings. A pistol was recovered from the scene of attack.
The counsel for the accused person informed me that arrest warrants had been issued against the accused person. The accused person had just been brought to court by the husband. I actually saw the accused person looking like she was very sick, in oxygen, something like that. She had been issued with court dates to attend court, but she wasn't coming. Allegedly, she was in hospital, sick leave for a long time.
In the process, 3 officers were injured. Augustine Michael Kithumbi, who was injured on the left eye, Maureen Lepes sustained a gunshot in the left leg, and Eunice Masharia, who sustained an injury on the left hand. Monica Kivuti continues to receive treatment at the Metropolitan Hospital in Buruburu.
She's one of the impartial magistrates around. She gives fair rulings and fair judgments.
Homicide detectives have taken over the case. A statement from the Chief Justice Martha Koome says that the Makadara courts have been closed until Monday next week. The statement further says that additional security measures have been taken to secure the place for all its officers and those attending court cases.
What Kenyans out here should understand is that whatever judgment or whatever ruling that is rendered, it is never the end of life. What you can do is just apply for either review by the same magistrate. If you're not satisfied with him, you can just appeal to a higher court.
Now, it is the first incident in history for a police officer to shoot a principal magistrate within the premises of the court. Perhaps it's time for judiciary and police reforms to take place for the safety of the courts in Kenya. Ode Francis, KTN News at the Makadara Law Courts, Nairobi.